Join me as I challenge myself to transform my boring walls into a vibrant masterpiece with some creative decor ideas. Wall decor can totally make or break a room's vibe. When done right, it can elevate the entire aesthetic and make the space pop in the best way possible. I'm talking about that wow factor that makes you feel happy and energized every time you walk into the room. We've all been there, staring at a blank wall, feeling like something's missing, but not quite sure what. It's like the room is just sitting there, feeling flat and uninviting. Sometimes, it's a lack of color, other times it's just a void that needs some personality injected into it. Whatever it is, we've got to fix it. These blank walls can really bring down the whole atmosphere of a place. Imagine walking into a room that feels like a museum, empty and hollow. No one wants that. We want our spaces to feel lived in, to tell a story about who we are. That's where wall decor comes in, to save the day and turn the dull wall into a stunning focal point. The challenge is finding that perfect piece or combination of pieces that turns a bland wall into something magical. And trust me, it's out there. Sometimes, all it takes is a little inspiration to get those creative juices flowing. That's exactly what I'm here to help you with today. From vibrant artwork to clever DIY projects, there are countless ways to breathe life into your walls. One idea I love is using a mix of frame styles and sizes to create a gallery wall that tells a story. You could also consider unique shelving solutions that not only display your favorite decor but also add an architectural element to the room. Another fantastic idea is incorporating nature, think botanical prints or a stunning piece of driftwood. It's amazing how something so simple can transform a space. And if you're feeling crafty, why not try your hand at a DIY project like a macrame wall hanging or a mosaic? The possibilities are truly endless. For those who love to collect, using wall decor to showcase your treasures can add so much character to a room. Whether it's vintage plates, vinyl records, or quirky artifacts, finding a creative way to display them can turn your wall into a conversation starter. Let's talk about a particularly striking transformation I came across. It was a before and after that really took my breath away. The before was a standard, boring wall in the living room. And then, someone had the genius idea to turn it into a floor-to-ceiling bookshelf. Not just any bookshelf, but one that was designed to look like a puzzle, with each piece fitting together perfectly. The after was nothing short of magical. The impact was incredible. What was once a dull wall became the room's focal point, drawing your eye up and making the ceiling feel higher. It wasn't just about storing books, it was about creating art on a massive scale. This transformation didn't just add functionality, it added a ton of personality to the space. It's a great example of how effective wall decor can completely flip a room's vibe. Seeing that transformation really drove home the power of wall decor. It's not just about filling a blank space, it's about enhancing the room's overall feel. So there you have it, a bunch of ideas to get you started on making your walls pop. Whether it's through vibrant colors, thoughtful arrangements, or creative projects, there's a wall decor solution out there for everyone. If you've got a favorite wall decor idea or a transformation story of your own, I'd love to hear about it. Drop a comment below and let's get the conversation started. And if you're looking for more home decor inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.